Will I go to jail for DUI with child endangerment? DUI with child endangerment in Indiana starts as a level 6 felony. And I will be very honest with you, a DUI with child endangerment has lots of moving parts. And jail time, or the possibility of jail time, is one of those moving parts. Most judges in the midsection of Indiana I practice understand that people that get accused of DUIs generally are not bad people. They made a mistake, an error in judgment with alcohol affects judgment, and they drove when they shouldn't have. Most judges and even some prosecutors understand they're not bad people. Now, that understanding of not being a bad person goes away when there's accidents, when there's excessive speeding, when there's multiple DUI violations, or what many judges tell me is the absolute worst, when a child is involved. So when a child is involved with a DUI, the chance of going to jail rises significantly. But not all hope is lost. It's super important to give an experienced DUI attorney a call because there's things that we can do ahead of time. One of the things that I have my clients do with child endangerment is, number one, for the most part, we have to cooperate with DCS. If you tell DCS, I plead the fifth, DCS is going to take your kid from you. So dealing with child endangerment and a DUI is probably the only time I advise cooperating with the government, which DCS is the government. But most people understand that the relationship with their kid, keeping their kid in their house, is more important than being convicted of a crime. Now, some exceptions apply. And if it's not your kid, don't talk to DCS. DCS might say you have to, but don't talk to DCS if it's not your kid. If you're not interested in having the kid at your house because it's not your son or daughter, then don't cooperate. But call me so we can kind of guide this. But we have to take immediate action as soon as possible if there's a DUI with a child in the car, because most judges treat that very serious and you're going to get a tongue lashing. And most judges know with alcohol and driving, there's always a very good chance of an accident. And most judges understand that generally don't have any choice being with or without a parent. And so endangering that child in many judges' eyes is just tantamount to one of the worst things you can do. So we have to get involved quick. We have to get an assessment approved by the county. We have to show the judge, show the prosecutor, you're not a bad person. And we can do that by following my advice. Me and my staff will make a list of things to do as soon as you get us hired, and then we'll try to put you in the best light possible so that everyone understands mistakes happen. And because a mistake happened doesn't mean that you're a bad person. And even for the jail issue is obviously the most important. People accused of DUI with child endangerment, but it's a felony as well. We have to also let the judge and prosecutor know that you are deserving of having that felony drop down to a misdemeanor. So there's lots of things to do with DUI with the child in the car. If that is an issue, if that's happened to you, take massive action as soon as possible. Give me a call, 317-632-3642. Remember to always plead the fifth.